Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to talk about how to improve your public speaking skills and what are all the benefits if we adopt public speaking skills in our life. If you have very good public speaking skills, you will have a very good reputation in the society. People will recognize you if you have very good public communication skills. So it is very much essential, especially for our legal students. It is very much mandatory. It is very essential in our life. How to improve our public speaking skills? My dear friends, there is no shortcut method to improve your public speaking skills. It's required a lot of dedications. It's required a lot of desire, lot of motivation. It's required to improve your public speaking skills. Everybody has their own qualities. We have to extract from our end, we have to extract the good qualities what we have. We have to identify what are all our strengths and what are all our weaknesses. We should know ourselves first of all. How to improve your public speaking skills? My dear friends, there is no shortcut method to improve your public speaking skills. As I told, it's required lot of dedication, it's required lot of practice, it's required motivation. You have to motivate yourself to improve your public speaking skills. Whenever you get opportunity to speak in front of the public, in colleges there will be a extracurricular activities everywhere. So whenever you get extracurricular activities, like to participate in debate, to participate in conferences, to participate in workshops, please do join. If you pay some amount also, that doesn't matter, that is very much essential. If you pay some fees also, that doesn't matter, you have to pay fees and join, especially for the seminars, workshops, any kind of debates, any kind of participations. Please do join. Sometimes you may get good opportunity through online to join. There will be no fees for the online, especially sometimes there will be webinars, there will be any kind of, like Zoom meetings or MST meetings conducted by various professionals, legal professionals. So for that also you have to join. Whenever you join, no, please open up your mouth. Sometimes you may get doubts to speak. Please speak up. You please speak, whether it could be a local language and whether it could be a, what I told, like international language, whether it could be a national language, as you are comfortable. If you are very much comfortable to speak in local language, you will be confident about public speaking skills. Once you learn public speaking skills, you can able to deliver in even English also. So yesterday I have spoken about how to improve our communication skills in English, but today I am talking about public speaking skills. Please be start with your local language only, public speaking. So whenever you start, please be have a confidence on about you. If you start, please keep continue with that. Don't stop. Somebody said, so you are not good at public speaking, don't bother about and don't think about what they have told. You have to be a confident person. Please be keep practice. Whenever you get opportunity to speak, please speak, because you are the creator and you are the destroyer of your own destiny. So If you would like to grow in your life, you should be participate. You should have a interest to participate. You should invest yourself to participate. If you would like to improve, you have to dedicate yourself that you have to improve. If you improve, that is for your good self. So if you improve, for me, what I will get? I will get nothing. If you have improved, that is for your good health, and for your family also it will be in good. So my advice here is, whenever you got opportunity to speak, please don't hesitate to speak in front of the public. Whether it could be a small group, whether it could be a larger group, please be confident. When confidence will come, trial and errors. Today you have done mistake, but tomorrow you may correct that mistake and you will be delivered in a good manner. So don't underestimate yourself. You don't know anything about to how to speak public in the public. So we are legal students. Why public speaking skills are required? After completion of our course, you will be somewhere else, like you will be an advocate, you will be a professor, you will be a consultant, legal consultants, you will be a corporate, you will be working in corporate companies. So if you would like to grow in those kind of fields, you should have very good public speaking skills. If you would like to become a leader in any field, you should have a good public speaking skills. If you have very good public speaking skills, the society will recognize you. They will become to make a leader. If you have good public speaking skills, wherever you go, you will be success in the particular field if you have good public speaking skills. So how I have developed my public speaking skills, everyone knows. 6 months back I have started this YouTube channel. Why I have started this YouTube channel? To improve my communication skills, to improve, to enhance my knowledge, and especially to improve my public speaking skills. If I speak continuously in front of camera, so I can speak confidently whenever get an opportunity to speak in public. So in my way, if you follow, you can able to improve your public speaking skills. You can also start your own YouTube channel. Please don't hesitate what others saying. Please don't underestimate what other people will say. Today they will hurt you, but tomorrow they will clap you, my dear friends. Whenever we have to do success, there will be n number of obstacles. We have to face all the obstacles, then success is yours. To improve your public communication skills especially, please start, my advice here is to please start with your local language. Whenever you get opportunity to speak, please speak. And in colleges there will be a debates, there will be a viva, there will be a moot courts. There also you can open up with your presentations. Please be prepared well with your presentations. Don't hesitate to speak. Sometimes you may get, wrong. Sometimes whether it could be a right or wrong, that doesn't matter. Please speak out whatever if you would like to speak, speak out. Sometimes you may get wrong, that don't mind it. Tomorrow, next time you can make it correct. Whenever you have done wrong, please don't be taken very deeply. You have done wrong, let it be, but next onwards please make correct that wrong things. So what you can do is, every day at least you be practice, you make video on your speak. After completion of your speaking, you can listen, you can see what you have spoken about. Any kind of topic you can take it. Please speak in front of the camera. Please record it. Then after that you have to see, you will come to know where you have done mistake. Then how can you deliberate? After seeing video, you will come to know where you have done wrong and what should be make correct, especially to speak about in public. So you make it correct, like in trial and errors, what do you call. So I would like to say, my dear friends, excellence is not an accident, it's a bundle of trial and errors. If I am able to speak very confidently in front of public or in front of camera, so I have made lot of practice in my life. For the past 6 months, I never stopped my videos to make videos. Every day I have to speak at least 10 minutes a day, so that I can develop like anything. For 6 months I have developed some extent, but after 6 years I'll be developing like anything. So you have to develop yourself every day. You have to give a time to improve your public speaking skills. After completion of your LLB, you need to speak, you need to debate. Sometimes you may need to speak in front of public forum, what you call. Sometimes media will question you. After completion of your LLB, you will be a great lawyers, you will be a great professors, you will be a great people. So in that time, if any media will come, speak about something about, please speak. If you, what we can do in that time. So that is the reason our especially legal students, they required very good public speaking skills. My advice here is to please start with your local language. If you confident in your local language, you can skip to your, like, international language, what you call English. So it is very important that our legal students are required to speak in public. So that is very important. So I am not perfect still in the public, but definitely I will become perfect through my efforts, through my dedications, through my desire to learn, eager to learn about the new things. So every day I have given time to develop myself. So that is why we can become a very good public speakers. We can become motivational speakers. So communication is very important. That too, public speaking skills are very important in our especially legal field. So my request to all, please be practice about your public speaking skills. That will be a very good tool. You can grow like anything in the especially legal field. So thank you very much watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Ketty, so that you will get best of best videos in the legal field like this. Thank you.